Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today's video is about packed with hexagon cake inspiration, the perfect shape for modern cake lovers. Let's explore 20 designs that take your cake game into the next level. The first is gold hexagon cake. Start sweet with a honey inspired hexagon cake, gold pattern, and soft drips make it buzzing hit. The next is greenery and gold accent cake. Combine natural green and green gold finishes for an elegant and eco-friendly vibes. The next is rainbow layer hexagon cake. The outside strategic but the inside surprise with a full rainbow, fun and festive. The next is modern wedding hexagon cake. Perfect for weddings. This minimalist hexagon cake with lush tone is simple yet stunning. The next is berry hexagon cake. Topped with berries, fresh berries on a geometric base, fruity and fabulous. The next is metallic rose hexagon gold hexagon cake. One glam rose gold metallic finishes make this cake a showstopper. The next is mini hexagon cake. Mini cake in hexagon form, perfect for wedding parties or gift boxes. The next is floral cascade hexagon cake. A floral cascade from top to base, soften the bold edges with blooming beauty. The next is abstract painted hexagon cake. Use the curves of sharp edges from hand painted art, modern and artistic. The next is stray night hexagon cake. Celestial lovers, this one's for you. The stray sky painted over a hexagon cake. The next is lemon themed hexagon cake. Bright, zesty, and eye catching. A summer favorite. The next is watercolor hexagon cake. Soft neon watercolor blends on sharp edges equals to artistic elegance. The next is chocolate drip hexagon cake. Who says geometric cannot be a delicious? Add chocolate drip and treat for a descented design. The next is pressed flower hexagon cake. Soft natural beauty on a bold shape. The contrast is striking. The next is hexagon cake with monogram topper. Customizes initial with initial or names, ideal for birthdays or bridal showers. The next is birthday confetti hexagon cake. Sprinkle, twist, swirl, and color rust make hexagon cake party ready. The next is two-tier hexagon cake. Stack them up. Multi-tier hexagon cake are bold and balanced. The next is soft pink with ribbon wrap. Simple ribbon around a hexagon cake adds elegance with ease. The next is icy blue winter hexagon cake. Cool down with icy tone, shimmer dust, and a snowflake toppers. The next is bee theme hexagon cake. And with a buzz, this bee theme cake bring together color, shape, and charm. Which hexagon cake was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. only on Cakes Factory for more cake inspiration. Hexagon shape is a different and unique style of cake, and it makes your event more unique. So must try any of the idea. Which idea do you want? And for your next event, tell us in the comment below. And stay tuned with us. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, goodbye.